Hi, so I'm going to demonstrate my MazeSolver project made in Python. So this is the basic setup. This is my code. This is my terminal. And the way it works is I'm supposed to, I'll just, so by default, my program takes this IP1 file as the input. And here we can enter any binary maze of size m cross n. So uh, as far as my code is concerned, I'm supposed to give an optional input file. My output would be displayed in this output.txt. If this file doesn't exist, it would be created automatically. And further, I can give the start index, starting coordinates, and destination coordinates. All these inputs are optional. If I don't do anything, it will take default values. The default values would be for the starting coordinate, it would be 0, 0, and for destination coordinate, it would be uh, m cross n. So let's try running up our code. All right, so as we can see, I did not give any values, so it took the default as the start and destination as the m cross n. And this is my input text, and this is the shortest path that is traced by my program. So now I'll try to give some value. So it took 2, 3 as my starting index and 9, 8 as my ending index. And this is the shortest path. I'll try to give it out of range and let's see what happens. So it's showing me no path exists and it's giving me the return of -1. Additionally, I have another file. So we can try to do the same thing for this also. We can use ip.txt as input. Let's see how to do that. Okay, so this was my input maze ip2.txt. It's showing me the shortest path is 21. And as you can see, I did not give any default values of coordinates. So it took the 0, 0 as starting index and m cross n as ending index. And this is my shortest path. So that's it for my project. Thank you.